Welcome back to Pass Driving Test. Today, we're at the Gaithersburg MVA in Montgomery County. This is one of the busier locations in Maryland, so knowing the route and the specific trap spots is key to passing on your first try. Let's get started with the pre-test inspection. Before you even start the engine, the examiner will check your vehicle's safety. You must show learner's permit or provisional license, proof of driver's education if under 18, valid registration and insurance. Then they will check your turn signals, brake lights, hazard lights, horn, and any cracks in the driver's line of sight.
The first technical part of the Gaithersburg test is the reverse two-point turn. The goal here is reverse into a designated space without hitting any cones or the curb. You are allowed to pull forward once to adjust if you need to, but don't do it more than twice or you'll lose points. Always check your mirrors and turn your head to look back. Don't just rely on your backup camera. Now starts the main course. Once you're on the main course, the examiner is looking for the speed limits, unprotected left turns. Remember to yield to oncoming traffic and stay behind the line until it's clear. Pay close attention to stop signs. You must stop fully. Many people fail within because they fail to stop fully. Don't let that be you. Keep your head moving. Scan intersections and check your mirrors every 8 to 10 seconds so the examiner sees that you are being safe. Keep your hands at 10 and 2 or 9 and 3. Stay calm and watch those stop signs. Please practice this route a few times beforehand to familiarize yourself with the area, road signs, and speed limits, which will improve your confidence to pass the test. We're entering a 35 miles per hour zone. Keep your speed steady and avoid creeping above the limit. Road signs are part of the test. The examiner wants to see that you're paying attention to them without being reminded. Before changing lanes, check your mirrors and then look over your shoulder to clear your blind spot. Don't rely only on mirrors. Always do a quick shoulder check. Examiners look for that. Here, I'm changing lanes. Always scan ahead for speed limit changes. Noticing them early keeps you safe and avoids test mistakes. We're entering a new zone here, so pay attention to the posted speed limit. Signs can be easy to miss if you stare straight ahead. Keep scanning left, right, and far ahead. Keep a safe following distance. You should always have enough time to react. I'm slowing down smoothly here because the traffic ahead is building up. We're coming up to an intersection. I stop completely, then check left, right, and straight ahead before proceeding. Here, I'm changing my lane to the left. Mirror check, signal, shoulder check, and then a smooth lane change. We're approaching an important intersection. I'm turning right, but I have to yield to the oncoming cars that are going straight or turning left. No need to panic. Just wait until it's clear. At this intersection, we need to make a right turn. Fortunately, we have a green light, so we can proceed when it's safe. If the light is red, come to a full stop, wait a couple of seconds, scan the area, and then turn when the way is clear. And if you're ever unsure at a red light, just wait until it turns green. At this intersection, when you're turning left, you must always yield to the oncoming traffic. If you fail to yield here, the examiner will mark it as a fault. Take your time, wait for a safe gap, and only turn when the road is completely clear. The speed limit here is 15 miles per hour. Always stay extra alert in this area. People may be waiting to cross the road. You must yield to pedestrians. If you fail to yield, the examiner will mark it as a serious fault. You can see people walking everywhere here, so be very cautious. Slow down, scan both sides of the road, and be ready to stop if someone steps out. Here we're going to do a front parking. Take it slow, line up your car properly, and make sure you center the vehicle between the lines. Please practice this route a few times beforehand to familiarize yourself with the area, road signs, and speed limits, which will improve your confidence to pass the test. I appreciate you being here. More helpful videos are coming, so stay tuned. If this helped you, subscribe to the channel to support my work. Good luck on your test.